Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious Afang soup recipe in the whole universe. Yes people, so this Afang soup is a step-by-step method, so don't skip this video for anything. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First thing first, I'm chopping in my white onions into the blender, and after this I'll be adding in my Afang leaf. Yes, that is also known as the Ukazi leaf. The Ukazi leaf is a hard leaf, so I'm going to blend this to a paste. And then please remember, when you're blending this, add enough water because it will help the blender not to overwork itself, rather give you the best result. So I added in 5 Scotch bonnet pepper into it, and so adding water as required, that you know that we have the blender to blend this to the paste as expected. That is just what I'm doing. And after this, I just cleaned up my workstation because there was water, and now I put the blender on, and now it is blending, and it is blending, and this is just how I wanted it. So I pour that into a bowl, and the next thing I'll be blending is my Uziza leaf. Did you hear that? Have you ever made Afang soup with an Uziza leaf before? Yes, use Uziza leaf to make your Afang. It gives it that delicious aroma that you don't even know where it's coming from. So that is just what I'm also blending, and after blending this, I will also set it aside. And next thing we'll be doing is going to our protein. Yes, I have the Cowleg, I have the Shaki, I have the Kpomo, I have the Shaw, in fact everything here. And here is my what? Here is my shelled periwinkle. I use the plier to break this, and that's what I showed to you. And now I'm just going to be pouring that into the protein because I've already pre-cooked this. So I'm using few of that, and now I'm pouring in my what? My blended mix of Afang onions and fresh Scotch bonnet pepper. So we just stir, and then we'll just put in our palm oil, scoop in as many palm oil, the quantity you think will be enough, pour it into it. And then here is my sea snail, nicely washed. And now I say, like this video people, like, and don't forget to share to your friends and families. Leave a resounding comment at the end, even as I've just added in my Iru. And here I'll be putting in the blended Uziza leaf into the pot. And then people, I opened up and I stirred and stirred, and the next thing I'll be adding here are the dried ingredients. So here I'm squeezing in the seasoning cubes. As you can rightly see, I added in the Opeye powder to give it that local taste. I also added in the black pepper also, and here I put in the little salt, and also people, I'm going to put in the shrimps powder to give it that shrimps taste. And people, this was just what you need. And then here comes the mushroom. Yes, adding mushroom, this give you that whole local taste of making this soup. If you don't have mushroom, if you don't like mushroom also, it's optional. So cover the pot and allow this to cook about 10 minutes, and then add in your crayfish. People, I used enough crayfish because it gives this recipe the whole taste. It takes it to the next level. And here I opened up, added in my white onions finely chopped, and here is my smoked mackerel, and I've washed it thoroughly. And now I'm just putting that into the pot, as you can nicely see. So stir and stir. And people, in case you're new to my channel, remember to hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell, even as I've just added in the Spinat Leaf. The post notification bell helps you to get alert as soon as I upload new videos. So welcome to all my newcomers and my OGs. I appreciate you all. Thanks for always coming to watch my videos. Thanks for your comments, and thanks for your like. God bless you all. So we move on. So here you can see I've added in the spinach, and here is my pre-cooked Kpomo, or you call it your kanda. Then this will cook about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you stir and stir. And please reduce your heat at this point so that you have that greenish living leaf. Did you hear that at the end of the video? So I added in the remaining crayfish just to retain that local taste at the end. And this is what it is, people. Any moment from now, this soup is ready. I hope you're ready to take this down with me. I took it down with my cuttlefish puree, and I say like this video in case you haven't, and also don't forget to leave a resounding comment. Remember to share it out, and also subscribe. Thank you all for watching, and I really appreciate you all. So the soup is ready, and here I poured it immediately into a bowl to stop the cooking process. You can see the pot nicely cleaned because it didn't burn. Okay, look at it, people. Did you see the outcome? Did this Afang soup call you out? Please, if it did, make sure you give it a resounding comment in the comment section. Also, people, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will answer you. So this is what it is. Let's take it down. I'm dishing into my plate, and my cuttlefish puree is already ready to take this down. So keep watching, people. I appreciate you all. I have washed my hands, and this is the time to enjoy this Afang soup. Yes, and let's eat and enjoy. So people, did you enjoy this video? If you do, say yes in the comment section. And on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. See you all in the next one. Bye bye.